Good day, everyone. I am Reina Frizaldo, and for today's math tutorial, we're going to discuss about the addition and subtraction of radicals. So first, we're going to know what is radicals. So radical expression or radical is a term or expression that contains a square root. Addition and subtraction of radicals involve the same concept in adding and subtracting integers or whole numbers. So, the parts of a radical expression: cube root of x minus 4. The cube is the index and the root is the radical symbol, while the x minus 4 is the radicand. So, first is example for addition. First is we're going to simplify the radical expression by finding the root of the radicand or factoring it out. So square root of 64 plus square root of 36. Second is simplify the terms. So the square root of 64 is 8 and the square root of 36 is 6. So 8 plus 6 is, if there is no square root, 8 plus 6 is 14. So, since the 64 and 36 have a square root, so so the answer will be a real numbers. There's no square root in the final answer. It's already so if there is no square root, use prime factorization on the number. So, prime factorization. So, the first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. For example, square root of 960. So, the square root of 960, so we're going to 3 times 2 raised to 6 times 5. So, next is simplify the radicand expression by finding the root of the radicand or by factoring it out. So, 5 square root of 18 plus 2 square root of 2. So, 5 square root of... So, the square root of 18 is 4 times 2 times 3 raised to 2. So, 5 square root of 2.3 squared plus 2 square root of 2. So, next, simplify the terms. So, 5 times 3 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2. So, if the exponent is greater than or equal to the index, then it can be taken outside the radicand. So, 15 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2. So, 15 plus 2 is 17, and copy the square root since inside the square root is same. So, 17 is square root of 2. Next is subtraction. So, 5 square root of 18 minus 2 square root of 2. So, we're going to find the root of radicand or factor it out. So, I think So 5 square root of 18 minus 2 square root of 2. So we're going to do the same procedure in adding radicals. The only thing to change the operation. So 5 square root of 18 minus 2 square root of 2. So the square root of 18 is 2.3 squared. So 5 square root of 2.3 squared minus 2, and copy the square root of 2. Since we can't, there's no solution for 2. So, the next is, if the exponent is greater than or equal to the index, then it can be taken outside the radicand. So, 5 times 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Copy the square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. 15 minus 2 is 13, square root of 2. Remember, we can only combine like radicals, and don't forget the index. The most common value of the index, which is root, is 2, but it can also be 3 or more, or cube, fourth root, etc.